dati pa naman sinabi ni Rizal na ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. At the same time, may sinasabing youth is wasted on the young. So parati lang natin i-emphasize na kayo may energy, kayo may oras. Panahon nyo to na tumulong, lalo na napakainit na ng environment. Actually, dito na lang sa teachers camp, may pakiramdam ng bagyo. And all the rest, grabe, tragedy. Ngayon, sinong kikilos? Kayong kikilos sa sarili niyong pag-iisip, sa pwersa, sa initiative, kasi ang dami niyong panahon at oras at galing. Gamitin natin yan. Mag-respond tayo sa climate change. Kayo yun.
The youth have a crucial role because they're actually fighting for their future. And it is a future that we as their elders painfully have not paid attention to or have not been so conscious of. Now we just continue to throw and they're now reaping the impact of it. The hotter temperatures, the dirty water, the diseases that are spreading. These are things that we are actually leaving them to fight. And if we don't start fighting it today, kawawa sila. So having these young people stand up today and be part of this 7th National Youth Summit, Environmental Summit is a big deal because it gives us hope that they will go home to their provinces, to the different islands in the Philippines and make a difference. Kasi ang impact natin, malakas tayo as an individual, but when we all connect together, the power of one multiplies immeasurably.
After po ng summit na ito, we're hoping na ito ay magiging silbing dagdag kaalaman para sa aming mga SK at kung ano man po yung matututunan po namin dito ay amin po itong madala at may pahayag po doon sa aming barangay. Ito pong Green Philippines, it's a great advantage for us, especially in our barangay, that climate change is really climate change is talagang nafe-feel na po natin, and especially in our barangay, which is pinaglalaban po namin yung solid waste management. Isa po yun sa advokasya po namin at binibigyan po namin ng lakas para po makagawa po kami ng ordinansa if ever po after sa summit na ito may pagkakataon po kaming makagawa ng isang ordinansa. So, ang solid waste management po kasi is napakamalaking bagay para sa ating mga barangay, especially dun po sa amin kasi isa po kaming malaking barangay. So, it's a very relevant issue at itong Green Alliance Philippines ay sobrang helpful at isang advantage po na maka-attend po dito dahil marami pong learnings, marami po silang mga binigay na knowledge and information na makakatulong po talaga sa amin. Para po sa mga kabataan is we're really hoping kasi po kaming mga SK officials po sa iba't ibang barangay gumagawa po talaga ng paraan para po makagawa kami ng activities or initiatives po na makatulong sa aming community. So we're hoping na sana yung mga kabataan po sa mga komunidad makibahagi din po ng initiatives ng kanilang mga sangguniang kabataan po.